Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on time zone. Welcome back to my channel. I just want to make a quick reaction to this video, this post that this lady called Eunice BPB. Many of you know her, on earth. Not that you know her in person. She don't even. She's not the kind of person that you need to bother yourself about. She's had been one of those recruited nuisance after the arrest of PM. She had been very busy dishing out lies, spreading it across every direction, making sure that she promote the falsehood of Sonak Barawa and the media team, doing all manner of things to cajoke and to mock COS. I don't know if COS had an issue with her before. I don't know her problem, just like Adadorama, which I prefer to call Wayi Socha in France. All of them have one problem to another about her. The issue is that if did COS commit any crime, like personal problem with them? The answer is no. But they felt that she's a problem. Ịma ndị Igbo na-ekwukwa sị na nwatakịrị kpakarịa ụmụaka ibia nkọna asị na ọ kpara na ajọ meaning that some of them, what is playing out basically are jealousness, envy. Do you understand? And that is what is playing out. I don't need to tell you otherwise, but if you know, you know. Now, this post that she made is not to say something meaningful, but to lie and speculate falsehood in the name of blackmailing, or to make you believe that COS is for Islam and is for Fulani and all that. Many of you have seen this post, but before then, please make sure, because I'm gonna tell you what I feel about this post. And she's not the only one that made this post, that shared this post. She's not the only one. But before we go in detail, I want you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tell us what you think about this. And just pour your mind on the comment section. That's all. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give the video a thumbs up, like it, so others will get to watch it later. Like I said, this post is just to blackmail COS and to tell you that she's for Islam. Now, who cook up these lies? Their camp. All of them, they don't have one liar. They are all liars. And those who are still playing defense, like say they're still on defense, are gradually moving to them. And some of people that cannot handle the lies are moving away from them. That is life. Now, many of you that have seen PM in the past, when PM is giving state of the nation, trying to give warning, PM always raise this finger. Go and watch the video. I don't need to bring it here to validate anything. Do that as an assignment. When PM is giving warnings, like addressing Nigerian states or anybody at all, it is even a common thing to do in our society. Many of you parents here, you have done this thing using your finger to, talk to people, maybe when you are, or maybe your children, when you are angry. It is normal, gesture, like it is natural. That when you say that, when you point a one finger at somebody and the other finger will point at you, what do we normally do when you want to do that? It's not the same finger that you raise and said, if you point your finger at one person, the other four will turn against you. Be honest. This is not to cajoke anybody. That COS put the finger like this, they want to twist it as if it is a taboo. Oginkere, on attempt to be relevant and active to prove that he's vocal in his speech, have also put the finger like this in one of his broadcasts. When he want, all these 2 minutes, 3 minutes video that he normally do, go and find out, verify that it is there. If you doubt, put it on comment section. Then I may use my time and spend my time to dig it out for you. But if I dig it out for you, in case you put it on comment section, you have to reach an agreement that if I prove what I just said now to you, you are going to do this, you are going to do that. And that's what I want to hear from you. But these people shamelessly circulating and preaching lies and falsehood to Biafrans, yet They are the one waiting for those, some of you falling back. At that end, when you fall, you landed on their hands and they will use you and do the needful. Let us go through the post before we further this conversation, because some of you may see this post and see it as one of the propaganda, and it doesn't carry any water. It doesn't carry any water truly, but it is good to be debunked for you to know the kind of people that are waiting for you to fall back. And I don't know who is pushing them, let me read it out first. Then I will continue. Like I said, make no mistake about it. She said, light and darkness have nothing in common. Are you seeing that? Then she said, pointing the index finger, Ngozo Rabu Fulani, we are the children of light. Umihe, you have failed. People can lie. And by DNA, this lady may not even be an Igbo person. I'm just saying, by DNA. But then again, I know we, more light. It's not about moving your lips makes you an Igbo person. Your attitude and your behavior. The level of the lie that comes out from you people now, is that what Igbo people are known for? I don't think so. Using it to indicate ISIS salute, and some even allege it is an indication of rejection of any state that is not run on Sharia. Thank you. Who is this? Okay, this person that is, maybe the person is the person that that started this rumor. Could be this one called Biafra Beyond. After this, we're going to visit his channel. Thank God that she tagged it here. You are a true soldier. Now, when you hear true soldier, it's not about BLA. No, no, true soldier of propaganda and cut and join department. Let us go to this person. Just a moment. Now, this is a Biafran Beyond page. This is people that are digging art falsehood for them. I hope I'm not gonna see nonsense, maybe graphic image here. Let's see. So this person is one that dig out this. I can't even see anything here, to be honest. I can't see that post here. I can't see it here. But he's one of them actually. You can see he's one of them. Okay, this is a. Okay, the Okoko reposted it from. Maybe he's the one that initiated the idea, and Eunice PB, handled the editing part of it. As you can see here, you see ISIS and the Islamic world, all these people, pointing figure here and there, preaching their what they stand for. Okay, and here is the post. So let us quickly go to the comments to see what Biafrans are actually saying here about this. Her own ethnic people, the Fulani, will buy her for unaccomplishment mission given to her. Chukwu Okike is the owner and pilot of Biafra Restoration and Liberation. Genuine Biafrans all over the world, we are going home, fund BDF for total victory and freedom from the. This is one of them, which I'm not. What he's saying is in terms of funding army is okay, but who will receive the money to fund the army? That's the question. Who will receive the money to fund the army? When you kick against it, they think that you don't like army, you are against, you are sub. No. How can you donate money to somebody who is not accountable, who have received monies for years and refuse to give account? And when you question them, they say you don't just focus on it. And all the leaders in their account, both the one receiving the money, the one that they're sending the money, all of them, they are building mansions. That's what the people are saying now. And I can't doubt, I'm not gonna doubt it, because if they're actually doing something needful with the money, they're not gonna help them in making sure that everything is the way they want. I mean, they should have given space to think and to, try to find out what is the best way to handle stuff. And this one said, this is the last straw that broke this ezi pig. Mkporo mmiri Orabu Fulani. This is what I don't want to say because of the platform. Her followers think they can play with the spirit of death, Biafrans. Terrorists Orabu Fulani, you never see anything yet. And what they are doing now is just this propaganda. Apart from propaganda, what again do you offer? Now, I would love to read the comment from Honorable Fulani Atros. They will write things like mugus, idiots, criminals. No. Okay, this means that nobody actually follows, no sensible human being follow this woman. It is all about their gang up senseless individuals. Seriously, the same people, the same fire, the same faith, the same jihad. Then can say children of darkness is at work doing what they know how to do best. Useless people. In case the worst of all, what has happened to Biafran since the word of Adam. She is monster, notorious, hardened Oboko. Okay, you say Boko Haram, you put in Boko. That's how to spell Boko Haram. Okay, okay. You guys are a huge joke. That's a sensible Biafran. He's replying to her. You must stop running. Somebody telling her you must stop running a shameful misinformation campaign against the only legitimate, genuine, and authentic government of the United States of Biafra, currently leading by our COS, DPM Madam Ngozi Rabeze. And the post, let me see this chart here. People need to focus on these people very, very well. They say, make peace and reconciliation. Mr. Isaiah Anyogo, alias Ogechukwu, but don't expect Biafran citizens to provide any more fund to your gang. If anything you are owing the Biafran citizens hundreds of millions of US dollars because you hijacked the USB government and Biafran's account containing millions of dollars. Now, what this person here is trying to do. If how many of you watch my, our last night broadcast? There's something that I said there. But before then, let us hear from this woman.
150 million. Kenya okay kele. It will stop. But will not stop Hana. It will stop Biafran declaration. Ega wo belego. Good whatever this declaration I even a very big issue now. Omo na inwe ike Biafrans. Let us now I'm about Biafran government. You people should sit up. Because that's now I break her into two. 200 million. We go get with Nigerian government. Yama Makoya na Yobo CJ. Yama Yakame all these 20 million come back to the answer to the question. And with okay, Kelly. Okay, Kelly Makosi, me and time is gone. Everything. I just hope I go there. Time and Abia, where you could gas this 200 million as CJ. Because okay, Kelly, Alberto doesn't handle any account at all. And the Malano is like no batopie when we get this our sister. She has that account by force. Or now monitor what is going on in that account. Okay, can scam our government, Biafran government with it. Okay, can scam Nigerian government 200 million by the name of Biafran government. I understand. And the year now, we put a tapalapa, it will end Robert Tobie down. And Robert Tobie will come out. Who is different here? All the accusation meaning Nigerian government with that. Robert Tobie beat all of them. And Connors now get out. And the Kuchin that now, you will come out with this flood of 200 million. 200 million. One of us in all get a address when off my. I shine back up. Holy Chigaro, Ega Dego, on a 20 post. So that I have a property of how many billion? Na Biafra land. One of get that most of property of 100 billion. Na Biafra land. What billions? Billions. Na Biafra land. When can what millions? Na America.
Now, this is the same woman that you are hearing today. The audio where she claimed that not PM, that Ogenkere, sorry, COS is trying to ignore them, ignore the media team, that she will fight back. I played that audio yesterday. Okay, Why all this thing is because once they don't get what they want, they will fight dirty. People without honor, people without shame, from A to Z. Imagine what this woman said here about Ogenkere. Today, she's singing praises of Ogenkere. In interval of 2 months, you are saying all this. When she said what she just said now, if you listen, when you listen to that, like I just played it now. Did you hear any part where she said allegedly, like rumor, or somebody said she was telling you as if she have the authentic first-hand information about it? Then now she's trying to twist it that it is that guy in Finland, that fat guy in Finland that said it. It is not me that lie from pit of hell. The secret audio where she promised to fight back to destroy US because US did not give her chance to control the position that she wants. You know, when people said that in that she what she's doing is actually fighting for position. People people like me was like, I don't think so. But with what is going on now, it is true. It is gospel true that she is looking for something to hold on, and she did not get that. She felt that she is the strength of COS or USB government. Imagine that. Just think about it. Just think about it. Anyway, like I said, this is a money broadcast. I don't need to make it to be too long. So we're gonna come back in later to do more exposition on one or two things. And remember, today is fundraising. So use your brain, use your tongue, and catch your teeth. Forget about propaganda. There's no way some of these old people dishing out lies and falsehood will lead you. They know that they're not interested with Biafra. Some of them actually are, packing their bags. If you know what I mean. They don't see anything. They're not interested about Biafra. They have built their generation in America. They have built their family in America, like the one in France. Do you actually believe that she care about Biafra or freedom? Do you actually believe that? In every honesty, you actually believe that she's fighting for Biafra? She lose nothing. Her family, everything is in France. All she's looking at is fame. Okay, that is that's what first thing people look after in this world is food. After food, we talk about clothing, and shelter. Then you talk about fame, the class that you belong to in the society. Nobody that if you are hungry, you don't talk about the class the level you operate in society. Nobody care about that. But first thing, you have to get your stomach filled. Then you cannot talk of shelter and clothing. Without it, you will be like making a very all manner of mistakes, thinking that you are fixing something for yourself and that you know what you are doing and all that. Anyway, my people, I have to end it here. Thank you so much for your time and God bless you. And make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you again. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you.